In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add DocuSign to your Monday.com account in just 5 minutes. This integration will streamline your document signing process, making your workflow much more efficient. So let's get started right away. First, open your browser and go to Monday.com. Once the site has loaded, you'll see the login button on the top right corner of the screen. Click on it. Now, unless you're already logged in, you'll need to access your account. The easiest way to do this is by clicking on the Google option. This will allow you to choose your Google account and log in effortlessly. Once you're logged into your Monday.com account, look at the top right corner of the dashboard. You'll find the Marketplace option there. Go ahead and click on it. This will open up the Monday.com Marketplace, which is where you can find the different apps and integrations available to enhance your Monday.com experience. Now, in the Marketplace search bar, type in DocuSign. You want to ensure what's displayed in the results is precisely what you're looking for, so go ahead and press Enter. Once the search is complete, look through the results and click on the DocuSign app. This will direct you to the DocuSign app page within the Marketplace. On the DocuSign page, look for the Install App button. Clicking this will initiate the installation process. Here's a quick tip. By clicking on Install App, you're essentially allowing your Monday.com account to connect with DocuSign. Don't worry, this is a safe and secure process. Next, you'll be prompted to choose the workspace where you want to install DocuSign. The recommendation here is to select all workspaces to ensure everyone on your team has access and can benefit from the app. This way, you can maximize the use of DocuSign across your projects and team collaborations. Finally, click the Install button to confirm your selection and complete the installation process. Follow any additional on-screen instructions if prompted, and allow a moment for the installation to finalize. And there you have it. DocuSign is now successfully integrated into your Monday.com account. This enables you to send, sign, and manage documents all within the platform, making your workflow a lot smoother. Enjoy the convenience of managing everything in one place and save time on your document management tasks. Thank you for following along with this tutorial. We hope you found it helpful. Be sure to explore other integrations in the Marketplace that could enhance your productivity on Monday.com. Keep watching for more quick and helpful tech tips, and have a productive day.